Hello and welcome back to the Calculator Review, hosted on Caliquin.com. Got something that I'm really happy to share today, because I just finished repairing it and it's working pretty well now, and it's in pretty good shape too. So this is the Golden Gem adding machine. This is by far my oldest calculator. As far as I can tell, this was constructed in March of 1907, so that makes this well over 100 years old. It's constructed of basically solid iron. I have taken it apart. There's not a lot of space inside of it, but that's because there's a lot going on. I took a lot of pictures as I was fixing it. It had an issue where it wasn't properly resetting all the values. So hopefully I can get a good angle on this. There we go. Okay. So you can see here it's got all zeros. So let's say I would like to add some numbers. That's all it's capable of doing. There's no subtraction, multiplication, division, nothing, just purely addition. So let's say I want to add the numbers, I don't know, six, oh man, that is, okay, let's say we want to add, okay. It's very hard to pull on this, but I'm going to give it the best try I can. So let's say I want to add, I don't know, 463 plus, I don't know, 1,281. And there you go. I already have my answer there. So the way it works is whenever this number reaches 9, or when it passes 9, it then goes back to 0 and then adds 1 to this. And it just repeats that process throughout. It's very, very simple, but very straightforward. But the mechanism inside is pretty fascinating to look at, and it was pretty cool to look through. I forgot what numbers I added, but the total, if you can't see, is 1,744. So this device originally did come with a stylus, but that has long since been lost, so I'm using a big pencil to use it. Metal will scratch the inside of it, so I try to avoid that. So anyway, the coolest feature about this isn't really the addition, it's actually resetting it, and this was something that took me a while to fix. So to reset and start back at 0, you turn this dial, and as you can see, it raises all the numbers up to 9, oh no, oh wow, that's a shame. Okay, I will have to take this thing apart again. The issue this currently has is this chain is kind of loose and it catches, and I came up with kind of a hack to fix that, and it's not working out too well. That's really a shame. So I need to figure out a way to tighten this chain, because if you see the other ones, they don't move around like that one does. It's very frustrating to deal with this, but I really want to get this thing working as well as it can. And given its age, it's in pretty good shape. This thing was covered in rust when I got started, or when I first bought it. I disassembled it, soaked it in vinegar, and got rid of a vast majority of the rust, and it's in pretty good shape now. Okay, let's see if I can... Oh, yep, this is this is really messed up. So I do know what the issue is. It's not an easy process to fix it. There are a lot of very small pieces inside this that fall out extremely easily when it's disassembled. When it's together, it's very durable, but disassembling it is extremely risky. Yeah, you can see just how messed up this thing really is. But even with that issue, this still works just fine. That's really more of a personal preference to have this part working. It can still do addition just fine. The only thing is whenever I reset it, it's going to start at, let's see. Oh no. Okay. So yeah, it's going to start at 631 right now. Or, I'm sorry. So it's going to start at 30. So if I want to add a number larger than that, not an issue. If I want to add smaller numbers than that, it's going to be a little more of a pain because I have to set this, I'll have to go all the way back to 100. It's complicated. So I'm going to attempt to fix this again. But anyway, thanks for watching. This is a real gem in my collection. I'm very happy to have it. I love mechanical calculators, especially something this old. If you ever find one, pick it up. I found this at a thrift store for about $10, and they had no idea what it was. So I was really, really excited, and I'm still in awe of it. So again, thank you for watching. Bye.